In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Microsoft Project. If you've ever wanted your schedule to point directly to specs, documents, or web resources, adding hyperlinks is a quick way to make your plan more informative and easier to use. I'm using the desktop version of Microsoft Project, and I'll show you two practical ways to add links to tasks. The same approach works when you're in Views for resources or assignments. Just select the item you want to link. Let's start with the fastest method, the Insert Hyperlink dialog. First, click the task in a task view, such as the Gantt chart. Right-click and choose Hyperlink, or press Ctrl+K to open the Insert Hyperlink dialog. At the top, you'll see a field called Text to Display. This is optional, but it lets you show a friendly name instead of the raw address, which keeps your plan clean and readable. In the Link to area, choose where your link should go. Most of the time, you'll pick Existing File or Web Page. You can then paste a web address, like a SharePoint link, or browse to a local file such as a PDF, an image, or even another project file. When everything looks good, click OK. Back in your schedule, look for a small hyperlink icon in the Indicators column next to the task. Clicking that icon opens the link instantly. You can link to a web page, a local or network file, or even a location within the same project if you browse to it in the dialog. A quick tip: if others need to access the file, store it on a shared drive or cloud location they can reach. For web addresses, include the full HTTPS// so the link resolves correctly. Now, if you prefer to edit links directly in a table or add several at once, use the hyperlink fields. Switch to a sheet view, then go to View, choose Tables, and select More Tables. Pick the table named Hyperlink and click Apply. Your grid now shows hyperlink address and hyperlink text columns. Type or paste the URL or file path into hyperlink address. If you want a cleaner label to appear, enter it in hyperlink text. As soon as you add an address, the same hyperlink icon appears in the Indicators column, and you can click it to follow the link. That's all there is to it. Use the dialog for quick, one-off links or the hyperlink table when you want to review and edit multiple links efficiently. With these techniques, your Microsoft project plan becomes a richer hub for the information your team needs.